The angled peaks fold is a masterpiece. It showcases 4 curved peaks that face the same direction to make onlookers think you're some sort of architectural wizard. This baby gives a rich sense of sharpness to your suit and emits an aura of opulence. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Now, grab your pocket square and let's get started. Lay your pocket square face down. Fold in half from top left corner to bottom right corner. Fold in half from bottom left corner to top right corner. Position the top layer slightly askew to the left. Take the bottom corner and fold it up to the top, askew to the left of both peaks. Pinch the inner fabric of the left peak and separate the 2 layers in order to create a 4th peak. Pick up the pocket square and fold the bottom left corner around the back. Fold the bottom section up to the back. Adjust according to the length of your pocket. Now go ahead and place it in your pocket. Now that you've conquered a difficult fold, you should be feeling like a king. Strut your stuff outside and let onlookers admire the view. For our full range of pocket squares, check out ota.com. Now hit that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.